Imagine yourself in this 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.3-liter V6 engine, 4WD type, part-time, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.7, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights and dusk sensing headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.